All right, those were my Pillsbury biscuits on the bottom of my greased aluminum pan. And we're just gonna give these a quick little smash so that we have a nice layer of our biscuits right on the bottom. And I did use the butter tasting biscuits for this recipe. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with 2 pounds of cooked breakfast sausage that we are going to just put right on top of all of those biscuits. Oh, smells so good. Grab our spatula and make sure that it is evenly distributed here and there. Oh, I cannot wait. This is such a great breakfast for the holidays. We have a big crowd coming and we need to make sure that we have brunch ready for everyone. Of course, we need some cheese, so I'm gonna add my 4-state cheddar, but you can add whatever cheese you like, some mozzarella, some Colby Jack, but I like the cheddar for this, and I feel like cheddar is a great neutral cheese that everyone enjoys. All right, we're doing 2 whole bags because this is a big breakfast to feed a crowd. We have 10 people coming over. They're also bringing in a few things, but I wanted to make sure everyone got a bite. We're gonna place this to the side super quick and grab our 18 eggs. Yep, you heard that right. 18 eggs already cracked. I'm gonna add a little bit of whole milk. You could do heavy cream, you could do half and half, but whole milk is my preference. And then we're gonna season this with a little bit of paprika, because I love paprika with eggs. Beautiful. And then of course, salt and pepper. Make sure we get lots of pepper because we want it to be a little spicy. All right, and we're gonna grab our whisk and whisk this all together. Make sure all of those yolks get nice and mixed in. All right, and that looks like it is perfectly mixed together. Let's bring back our casserole dish. And now we're able to just drizzle our eggs on top of our biscuits, our sausage, and our cheese. And this breakfast could be done here, but it is not done for me. We have one more thing we're gonna add that's really gonna tie everything together. I made 2 packets of my Pioneer country gravy, and we're drizzling that right on top. Oh, all in one breakfast that everyone will love. Make sure you get all of that out. Oh, thickened up so nicely. I love the Pioneer gravy, but you could also do a canned gravy. The Libby's canned sausage gravy is really good. Or you can use that grease that we created from the sausage we cooked and make a homemade gravy. But I like things to be super quick, super easy, especially around the holidays, to make sure that everything gets done in time and tastes good. All right, I think this is gonna be good enough. All right, so my oven is set to 375 and we're gonna cook this for about 50 to 60 minutes. Oh my, this smells so good. Look how cute my little oven mitts are, but let's dig in. Oh, breakfast is served.
That gravy smells amazing.
It's so moist too. Oh yeah, perfectly cooked. And that's a huge serving. So you definitely could feed 10 people with this. Oh.
You almost lost it. Is it good?
That is phenomenal. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be making this all holiday season long.